Critical Manufacturing MES. Advanced MES capabilities for innovation, quality, and end-to-end traceability. Electronics manufacturers face significant challenges, including increasing product complexity and customization, shorter product life cycles, component shortages, and the talent shortage. Your business strives to be a successful first mover, so you should expect more from your MES. Recognized by Gartner in the Magic Quadrant for Manufacturing Execution Systems, the Critical Manufacturing MES is the leader in the electronics industry, with a wide range of out-of-the-box functionalities for SMT operations. Electronics manufacturing requires information to flow rapidly and smoothly from equipment and SMT lines through the entire plant, out to the enterprise, and back. Critical Manufacturing MES was built as a single, comprehensive, and modular solution to empower meaningful decisions and effective action, even as products and requirements change. The Critical Manufacturing MES offers complete, pre-integrated functionality, focusing on SMT, out-of-the-box functions such as new product introduction support, planning and scheduling, MSD and floor life control, process interlocking and data collection, traceability until the reference designator level, defects, and repair management. This modern MES supports consistent and efficient production through SMT and beyond. It includes not only WIP tracking, but master data management, recipe management, material management, factory automation, process monitoring, and analytics. An integrated data platform makes it easy to collect machine data and put it into context for high-value use cases, such as maintenance, quality control, and comprehensive reporting. Today's MES can help improve efficiency and quality with easy-to-use operator guidance, notifications, and alerts. The Critical Manufacturing MES allows only qualified personnel to work at specific workstations, enforces procedures, and automates traceability. This MES integrates seamlessly with equipment and the rest of your enterprise applications for a total cost of ownership to meet ROI target. A basic factory model can display as a visual digital twin, yet it is also highly scalable and configurable to ensure support for unique best practices and ongoing change and expansion. Electronics manufacturers agree that with Critical Manufacturing MES, innovation can be an integral and smooth part of high-quality, compliant operations. With the right MES, you get a solution that streamlines new product ramp-up with greater flexibility and profitability, delivering consistent results not only in SMT, but across the plant. What more could you expect?